Yeah, no, it's good.
Yeah. I just fell asleep because,
Cool.
hey, I'm here.
Guys, I'm here in Taiwan and we're headed towards the gallery now. I can't wait to see how the setup is. What else? It's great to be here. Mickey. Alright, let's see how it goes. Here we are, look at this. Maybe I shouldn't be recording as you. And my favorite part, look this out. This, Mickey, love this.
Cool.
So cool with the heart right there. You guys are here in Dynasty Gallery, Taipei, Taiwan. So it's looking so awesome. They have all my work up on the walls, and I'm excited to meet everyone coming today and tomorrow, the weekend. So I'm glad I did this. Thank you again.
So how does it feel seeing your digital artwork turn into reality?
It's awesome. It looks. I was not expecting this much done. Man, Mickey just went all out. To solve that, what I did was keep tribal elements, but the materials will be a little more modern. Yeah, because we're so behind the scenes, people don't know, and then even though we've designed almost all the heroes and villains, sometimes people don't know. So I'm glad like I get to do this and then kind of give information out. So at least the credit, we get some credit for, or get the information out there. I know in the beginning I have to talk about when I was younger, what my life was and where I came from, and I'm trying to remember it, and it seems like it's hard right now, but maybe when I'm not there it'll come out, because it happens while I'm having conversation, so I'll pretend I'm having conversation with them, because going to school there, the art in the Philippines, and what art's won't make you a lot of money, that kind of stuff. But I don't care about the money. I just care about being happy, So that was one of the thoughts. Never give up on yourself. Always invest in yourself. Put time and hard work into developing your craft, and you'll see after all the time you spend on yourself, things will really improve, and you could compare your old drawing to your new drawing after like a year, even after a month. If you always draw every day, you'll see a big improvement. That's what happened with me. So always work hard and always practice every day. Bring a sketchbook around with you, sketch and write down all your notes and all your ideas, so you could check it, and maybe it might help you have more ideas later on. And that's how I got my first job, is by showing my sketchbook. I was trying to think, what am I trying to say? Because in the beginning I was trying to, what's my value? What am I going to give everyone? I'm coming there to give this. But no, I'm not just giving the people that I'm going to see in Taiwan something. I am receiving the kindness of everyone receiving me in Taiwan. So that's why I need to thank you. to thank you. That's what it is. Yeah. It's not me giving, it's me also receiving. I guess that's what it is. And it's good experience. It's been a while since I taught. It's been ever since I started Marvel. I haven't. No, actually, 10 years ago. 10 years ago.
You haven't done Magic Card. You haven't done a lot of stuff after Marvel.
After Marvel, just all your
energy is given to all these characters stuff. All these.
That's why it's the dream job, because I don't need to do a job outside of it.
Yeah.
Except that.
Your attention is all there, right?
Yeah.
But now you could maybe do something on the side. That was also fun.
Nikki's helping me with that. Not just this, but just support, emotional support. Not just emotional, mental.
Yeah, mental. You don't need a mental support.
I don't need
You got it, man.
I just need people to have the same energy as me.
Yeah, like bounce off each other.
Bounce off each other. You're right. Because I'm like the class yesterday, the hardcore mentality.
Yeah.
I've already.
We all have that mentality, just like tunnel vision,
hardcore
right?
mentality. Be the face.
Be the face.
Be the face of
the franchise.
The franchise.
Yeah.
Yes. I just know what I'm talking about.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good.
Yes. And thank you to the whole team.
Yeah.
Making this work. Angie. Nikki. I'm so happy. My first time here and such a good experience. Wow. It's ready. Let's do it. Bye.
You know what?
When everyone would laugh when I said a joke with my talk, or when just the attention and almost like I could feel the enthusiasm, the love. I guess I could say that. Like really welcoming. So
pat yourself on the back. Like. Thumbs up.
It's almost like that's why it was easier for me to even teach more because of that. And then to top everything off is in the end when they give good feedback.
A lot of folks, you scroll around the Facebook, there's a lot of people with feedback. There are guys who went to Hong Kong, China, Japan, Taiwan workshops, and they said this is one of the best.
Yeah.
Because you pour everything out there, you just like give it all out.
I'm so happy. Sometimes you can't tell, if it's good or not.
I am still getting like thank you, for putting up the workshop.
So
bring you over, and then it's like learn a lot, and they want to chat more because you inspire, I think, a new generation and some of the older guys, right, who's more important in the industry. We all collaboratively thinking like how can we make Taipei better, and bring you on board, and sharing your knowledge is really essential because it has that boost. And
I don't want to just do it once, like you were saying. I don't want to just, you came here one time and then didn't give more support. I want to come actually to all of Southeast Asia more, so that I can visit the Philippines again. And it all started with the Philippines, now Taiwan, and maybe hopefully another place and another place.
Nice.
Okay.
Awesome. Thank you, everybody.
以前不知道漫威做的东西需要经过这么多的层次，
然后需要这么多技术来支撑自己的美感。然后所以今天很高兴学到很多技术，能学到很多东西，知道漫威现在是怎么创作的，非常开心。
它让台湾很多我们平常见不到的很厉害的人都聚集在一起，平常几乎不会有这个机会，这是一个极难得的机会，这样子。甚至很多很年轻的艺术家，对，都让我们见到哇，原来台湾新生力那么的活跃这样子。其实还蛮感动的，就是一个有影响力的人带动更多影响力的年轻人，还有资深的有影响力的人都聚集在一起。
Alright, I just want to say thank you to everyone that visited my workshop, gallery, and talk. It was an amazing event, and having you guys there with me, it made it even much more meaningful. And hopefully, I will come again and visit. But please share the pictures with me, tag me, and tell people about it, because the better people know about it, and I could come back sooner, and I'll give you a better show next time. But yeah, thank you again so much, and please take care. Also, I want to thank Mickey for bringing me over here. Thank you, Mickey, and for I'm not even sure in the beginning if I had time to come, but I'm glad he persuaded me to come. And Angie and HCW for making everything so easy for me. I felt the love from everyone, and thank you to everyone that came and give the support and love, and I felt really a lot of encouragement, and hopefully I'm able to give you guys inspiration from what happened to me and where I came from. I started from the bottom, now we're here, and I want to give back to everyone. Thank you so much. It's the last day. It's fun. It's fun. Yay! I can't wait to come back. I can't wait. My kids are gonna love the shirts. Thank you again, you guys.
Thank you so much. Thank you. See you again.
Hug again, hug again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, cool. Alright. Anthony's gonna head back home to LA, and really thank him for giving us the inspirational speech, besides all the breakdown for how to design a spectacular Marvel character. So, more to come in the future. Alright, come back, bro.
Thanks for having me, man. Alright, you guys, thank you for everything, and hope to come back soon. Alright, bye.